You might be wondering why I'm wearing my Barong Tagalog right now. Well, for quite some time, I would like to feel the opulence and aura of this vehicle, at least for this car feature. Come on, join me as we look and review this Toyota Land Cruiser. It has been almost 5 years now since the arrival of the new Toyota Land Cruiser 300. Well, obviously, it's the replacement of the long overdue 200 series, who has been a staple in the non-profit peacekeeping organizations like the UN, Red Cross, UNICEF, and has been the vehicle of choice of the politicians and the warlords. Well, it's a testament of how sturdy and how reliable this car is. So come on, join me as we look and review and what's the changes of the new Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series for this 2026 year model.
Let me start this feature by addressing the elephant in the room. Yes, gone is the legendary V8 engine of the Land Cruiser. Instead, we get here a more modern and more refined engine, built to meet the new standard of emission and at the same time not compromising the power output. The new Land Cruiser 300 is equipped with a 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6 engine capable of generating 302 horsepower and a whopping 700 Newton meter of torque. Smaller than his predecessor, yet produces more power and delivering less emission. Now let us look at the exterior design of the new Land Cruiser 300 series. Since the beginning of time, the Land Cruiser nameplate always projects a masculine design portraying an image of a strong and very capable all-rounder vehicle. For the past 3 generations, including this model, the Land Cruiser has evolved into a more sophisticated look, shying away from his utilitarian image of the bygone era. Now, with a wider and bigger grills, with lines extending to the headlights, projecting a design that emanates power, influence, and bold presence. The lights are all LED affair. The daytime running lights flank the three-tire headlights that not only projects strong visible lights but also displays revolutionary design that blends form and functionality. We also have a huge glass Toyota emblem that also houses the sensors for your dynamic cruise control and pre-collision system, part of this car's Toyota Safety Sense system. We also have functional air intake duct below the headlight. This channels the air into the twin-turbo intercooler. This side profile displays an undeniably strong presence of a big SUV with its distinct lines, huge windows, high greenhouse, and adorned with chrome ornaments. Wheels is polished mugs in 256/55 rim 20. The rear part of the vehicle is somewhat generic in design as far as my liking is concerned. No special features. It's like the designer had been so tired designing the front and the side that he left the rear with such a mundane look. To add insult to the injury, this new model no longer has the two split rear tailgate. a feature that is beloved by many Land Cruiser enthusiasts. But not are all bad news though. The rear lights are now all LED with sequential turn signal lights that contributes to better visibility. The rear has built-in tow hook with door seals garnished to protect the paint of your bumper when you are loading your outdoor stuff. Now, going to the interior of the Land Cruiser. It may not be in the level of Lexus interior, albeit the materials used in here are in the highest quality, like the soft touch leather all over the dash, the tactile switches and knobs that display confidence when being fiddled and dialed, and the ambience of being cocooned in its top-notch leather seats, which are ventilated by the way on both the front and the second row.
So, we are now inside the new Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series. Obviously, the first thing that you will notice is how luxurious the interior is. Very different talaga from other mainstream models of Toyota like the Fortuner, the Hilux, the Zenix, the Innova. You really feel that this car is very special. No, so come on, join me as we look at the special features and updates of the new Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series. So let's start with the key fob. So this is the key fob, and you have the lock, unlock, and the trunk release and the panic button, and a huge Land Cruiser letterings at the back. So when you feel it, when you hold it, it's really kind of different and it's very special talaga. So let's try to start the car. So it's a push button vehicle. And um, the seat has, on the driver seat for the very least, is actually 10-way electronic adjust. The passenger seat has a 8-way electronic adjust, so lahat push button na siya. You can see you have a huge screen here, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready. And I think this is 12.3 if I'm not mistaken yung size ng kanyang screen. So let's try to have a short drive of this vehicle kahit nandito lang tayo sa releasing area. So the adjustment of the transmission is very sturdy. You will immediately notice that this car is really made for the beaten path, ika nga. So kahit na it's considered here in the Philippines for at least na considered siya na luxury car. Oops, sorry, I forgot to wear my seatbelt. Always wear your seatbelt, guys. Kahit na considered siya as a luxury car in the Philippine market, hindi mawawala yung kanyang tradition or yung kanyang trait of being a 4x4. Kaya this car, you know, is very capable talaga siya.
Now, let us go back to the interior of the car. Well, obviously, this has the modern push-to-start button to start the vehicle, with a huge 12.3 inches infotainment touchscreen system that is wireless, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay connectivity with built-in satellite navigation. The steering wheel is wrapped in a premium leather with bits of wooden materials. The display dials are all digital with graphics and high-resolution display. Well, it should be because you are paying a fortune for this car. The information are easy to read and distinguish with customizable configuration of the data or information you want to display, like your speed, your RPM, the dynamic radar cruise control, the lane tracing assist, and even the frequency of your FM radio and the image of your satellite navigation. The center console houses most of the controls and the switches, flanked by premium materials like soft touch leather, wooden materials, and aluminum brass ornament, material you normally see in luxury models. These switches and knobs are your control for your automatic climate control system with front dual zone, your all-wheel drive system controls like the toggles of your high 4 and low 4, and your differential lock button and other off-roady stuff. By the way, this generation of Land Cruiser now sports an electronic parking brake with hold function. Accompanying the infotainment system is a wireless charger pad beside the shift lever. And by the way, this Land Cruiser is equipped with a very capable and smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission with manual mode. One of the special features of the new Land Cruiser is its sophisticated 4x4 system. Gone are the days of manual off-roading that you literally need to go out of the car and lock the differential for better traction. In this car, you can just flick a switch and voila! You are now in a serious off-roading mode. The Land Cruiser is also equipped with various drive modes that can help you tackle your chosen terrain, like the Sport S Plus for spirited driving in the tarmac with a boost of oomph, Sport S for your off-roading needs, Normal for normal driving in the highway, Comfort for extra comfy ride, and of course, the Eco mode if you really care about the environment or wanted to conserve your fuel. But in this case, I bet you won't be using that. Plus, a two-spot for your customizable settings. Continuing the opulence of this car is a 14-speaker JBL sound system and of course a retractable sunroof that you can open should you opt for a sunbathing session. Continuing on the second row, the Land Cruiser is now equipped with a myriad of features and control. The second row, where the owner might find himself seated most of the time, is now equipped with dual zone automatic climate control system, making the interior of this car a 4-zone climate system wherein each occupant can control their own temperature as they desire. You also get a lot of connectivities at the back. This includes port for USB-C, USB-A, and HDMI for your rear seat displays. The real treat in this 2026 year model is the update of the entertainment system at the second row, now equipped with a 2 tablet-like screen that can mirror your phone, watch movies on it, listen to your favorite Spotify playlist, and even connect your laptop on the screen for that impromptu business presentation. For the past years, the Land Cruiser has evolved from the utilitarian and very capable no-nonsense off-roader into a luxurious, chauffeur-driven limousine that cemented its image as a tough vehicle being used all over the world, from humanitarian expeditions of the NGOs to the war-torn desert of the Middle East. But significantly, a car that is synonymous as a symbol of success, wealth, and power. And having one of these compels really a status symbol.